Hello guys, my name is Imtiaz and I'm a Salesforce developer. So I'm currently working with Iber Software Services Private Limited in Ajmer. So as a Salesforce developer, I developed a new tool for all the developers who are working with Salesforce platform. So the tool is nothing but a Salesforce Chrome extension that we can use by installing in our Chrome browser. I'll provide the link in the description, you can check. So without further delay, we'll quickly start. So this is the link of that Chrome extension. So with this link, we will open Chrome Web Store. Yeah. So here you can see a Salesforce Quick Access, a new Chrome extension that is developed by me. You can see here. So we will quickly install this Salesforce Chrome extension and we'll check further features. So I'll quickly add this in my Chrome browser. Yeah. So it is installed. So now we'll close this. So what is this Chrome extension? We'll see all the features. So I'm on Salesforce domain. Currently, this is a record detail page. So here, if I click my extension, it will show you some list like a record, objects, metadata, debug logs. Okay. So also, if we are not on Salesforce domain, that you will not be able to access this Chrome extension. Okay. So here you can see. Currently, we'll check one by one. So here you can see record, objects, metadata, debug logs. So first we'll click on the record. So what is this feature? So if I click on records, it will load and it will show you the record detail. Okay. So here you can check this box. So you will see the fields which having data. So by default, it will show you all the fields whether having data or not. Okay. So if you click here, it will show you the fields uh, with no data. Okay. So what if I want to modify this? Yeah, before modification, like if I click on this, left click, then it will copy the field name. If I click the on value, then it will copy the value. What if I want to modify this record detail? So like if I want to change any field, so I will click on the field, I will right click on the field. Yeah, so it will show you pop up. You can change values, you can update here, it will immediately reflect here. Okay. So you can search your fields here, like if I see, like you can see checkbox. I will click right click here. Yeah, I think this is string field, so is active. No, we don't have any checkbox, I believe here. Okay. So if it is a pick list, like if I click here, it is a pick list, it will show you all the pick list values. You can change, you can update here, you can change and modify any values from here. Okay. And also like uh, yeah, I will show you one thing. So if I click here, records, so you can see the record detail. And also if you want to generate a code for this record detail, so like you can simply click on code, it will generate a apex code for you that you can use in your anonymous window to create any record by cloning it. Okay. So also you can see, we can see here like it is account id and also one WhatsApp object record, means these are parents. So what if I want to create a record with these parents? So here you can see one checkbox, So by default it is collapsed. So if I uncheck this, it will show you the parent code also. So you can create account object. First it will create account object, then this, then what it will do, it will attach the account ID here, it will attach the WhatsApp ID here, then it will create a contact record along with its parents. Yeah. You can also copy the code from here and use in anonymous window. Yeah, so we'll close this. Yeah, so now what other features of this page? So if you want to check, like if for this contact record, if you want to check child's, okay, so you have to click on this ID. You will see all the child relationship here. So like I want to see the case detail, so I will click on case. It will show you all the case records. You can check by clicking one by one. So if I will click on this record, it will show you open this case. If I click here, it will open this case. Again I will click here, it will open the contact. So by this you can check all the child record. Okay, so also if we are not on record detail page, like if I am on setup page, hmm, so if I am on setup page, then you will open this record. It will not show you any detail because we don't have the ID, right? So if I copy ID and enter here, yeah, it will show you the detail that you can see here. So yeah, by right clicking you can change, like if I put something wrong, it will show you error also. Okay, so this is all about record detail and this option. So now we'll check what is objects. Okay, so I'll click on objects. It will show you all the objects in your Salesforce org. You can see here, like we can change the view here, all objects, big objects, custom object, platform events, custom settings, standard objects, and custom metadata. Okay, so like if I check all the objects, now I will click account here. If you right click on this account, it will show you complete field details. Okay, so one second here also you can sort like this, label, type. Okay, you can search from here, you can search in types from here, like whatever, custom, standard. Okay, so as soon as I click on this, it will show you the field details. So here you can see field label, API name, data type, and type, customer, standard. Okay, so if you click on this field, it will copy the value, label, name, API name. So here you can see the types. If it is a kind of pick list, so if you click on the pick list, then it will show you the pick list values, label, name, status, active, inactive or not, default is it is default or not. Just click here to close this. You can sort this, and let's say if yeah, you can search here in field API name, here label, here data types. Okay, like I want to see only pick list, then what I will do, I'll do this. Okay, search and type like custom, so you can see. So what if I want to open this field detail? So like it is a checkbox type. uh so if I, yeah, like it is a number. Okay, so if I right click here, it will show you in your org quickly. Okay, so you can see here. Yeah, so this is all about fields. So I'll close this, and we are back again on the objects detail, objects list. Okay, so like if I want to see content, so when I click here, when I left click here, it will show you fields detail. What if I right click? So when I will click on right here, it will show you all the records of this object. Actually, not all the records, means with all the fields, whatever field we can see here, all the fields it will show you. And initially it will show you 100 records. So in my case I have only 19 records. Okay, so it is showing all the fields. You can change from here also, like if you click custom, then it will show you custom fields only. So here you can change. Okay, so like if I want to search something here, like if I want to search something in name, I will search, it will show you. Okay, so also you can edit your query here. You can edit your query here and execute. Before this, like we have 19 records in the list. So like you have multiple sandbox, so from one sandbox you want to copy data to another sandbox, then what you will do? So you can click here and generate code. It will generate code for you. So here you can see it is generated all the records in a list. You can see one, two. Okay, and here you can see final. It will insert a list. So you can simply copy this code and go to another sandbox, and there in anonymous window you can put this code and insert records. Okay, if it is not working in anonymous, you can create a temporary apex class from there also, I think, because anonymous window has some limits, line of code numbers, so you can use that. But you can use this code to clone this list in your another sandbox. Okay, and same you can sort here also. You can see by filtering here. You can edit your query, like I want to see account record, like click execute, it will show you account detail. Okay, so it is all about record list and contacts menu, sorry, objects menu. Here you can see. So the third one is metadata. So what is metadata menu? So if you will click here, if you will click here, it will show you all the metadata in your org. So the first one is apex classes. It will show you apex classes last modified by, last modified date time India, US, created by, and created it. So like this is, so if you click here and click on view, copy down. So if you will click a copy, it will copy this name. If you click on download, it will download, yeah, it will download this. Okay, your apex class. If you will click on view, then it will show you your code, apex class code, complete code. Okay, we'll close this. Now you can see this much metadata you can see here. If I click on flow, it will show you flow, copy, open. If you will click open, it will redirect you to flow detail page. Okay, same like we have profile. You can copy profile, you can open profile detail. We have seen apex class also, because it is by default. You can see custom fields, how many custom fields we have, who created, who modified, all the thing. If you see here, you can open from here also, it will open the field detail. Okay, so now we have custom labels. So you can copy by left click. You can see the value of custom label. By right click, you can copy label name. You can open this custom label in Salesforce, and also you can edit this. Like if I want to edit this, quickly edit this custom label, you can edit. You can update from here, it will update immediately. Okay, same like custom objects. You can open these, copy these, Next step, you can open this, copy this email templates. Like I have email templates, you can see all your email template here. You can download this email template. You can, by left click, you can copy the actual name. By right click, you can open this, and by clicking on view, you can see the code detail. Okay, now we have permission set. Same, you can do whatever you are doing. You can open, copy. We have static resource. You can copy static resource. You can immediately download static resource. You can open a static resource detail page. We have our components. You can copy, open, name, credential. I don't have currently. Visual Force pages. Okay, so we can see Visual Force pages here. Mm, you can click copy. You can download. You can view your code. We have remote site setting. You can uh, copy value. You can name. You can open this. We have Visual Force components. You can open, copy, open. Okay, like I have this. I can download this. I can view this. Okay, so now we have lightning web components. So like I have this, so I can copy this. I can download this complete component. It will immediately download here. Okay, you will if you check this zip, you will see all the files. You can view this. Okay, so this is JS, this is HTML, this is CSS, this is XML. I'll close this. So that is all about metadata. Now we'll see debug logs. What is debug logs? Okay, so if I click here, it will open this window. So here you can put your user ID and create debug log. So when you will put your user ID, you can click on create log. It will create a trace flag in your, or so that you can see your debug logs that we manually do in debug log, create trace flag for user. So like I don't have user ID, so I will search with the name like TCH. I will enter. So here you can see all the users. Okay, so if what if I want to, like there are some codes also. So if I search s.a, it will show you all the system administrators. Currently I have one. uh, Same like system admin and active, then it will show you all the active system admin. Inactive system admin, u.I, then it will show you all the uh, mm, system admin with inactive email. So yeah, that's different thing. So here like I want to see the system admin. So here this is system admin. Yeah, so here you can see name also, username also. If I click on use yeah, so you can search with username also. So here you can see, if you have a webcart ID, then you can put here and enter, then it will that it will take the owner ID of that webcart. So currently I will go with my system admin. Yeah, so I'll click here, then I will click on user ID, then create log. So the log is successfully created. Okay, I will fetch log. So you can see there are lots of debug logs I can see here. So if I click on any debug log, it will open debug log here. You can see all the debug logs here. So like you can find your debugs here. So let's say if I click this, I copy this. Yeah, so if I copy this and search here, then enter, it will search your text on in all the debug logs, and it will show you here. It will mark red, like this string contains this one, this one. So you can open this, you can search this. Here you can find. So in any debug log, if it match your string, it will highlight that. If only one, then it will highlight that and open that directly. So you can click any debug log and see your log here. By clicking fetch logs, you can fetch your logs here. So this is all about debug log also, and this is all about this extension. So I'll give you more updates on this extension, but yeah, currently we have this, so it will be helpful for Salesforce developer. Okay, okay guys, thank you. You can install this Chrome extension. I'll provide you link. Thank you.